Alright guys, we are gonna talk about this wig because I cannot find the clip-in for the intro of the wig. Okay, so now this is a black cherry layered wig. This one is in body wave and it is 7x5 closure. Now it is perfect. It's also a drawstring. You guys have seen that you wear the drawstring. I showed you how I added the drawstring to the wig. It's very precise, it's very beautiful, and yeah, so it came pre-curled. The color is amazing, you guys will see that. But you know, with every wig purchase, you get the wig in a bag and you get some goodies. So I did receive 2 packs of wig cap. I used one on the hair. I also received a edge brush, and I also received a edge band that I was wearing, and you get this bag to store your wigs. I absolutely love these bags. So that's all that came in the bag, and the pre-curl of the wig. You guys will definitely see that. But this is it. Let's get into the video. Yeah. Guys, we did our makeup. We are gonna take out the hair. Oops, one fell out. Perfect. All right, I'm definitely gonna go in. We are gonna comb out the curls just to see how it's gonna look. Just a few adjustments. I know you guys cannot really see the color, so I'm gonna step outside. And this is what I like about this color wig, is you can freelance with it. Okay guys, this is the grand finale of this wig. I love the burgundy color it gives the body wave. Like I said, the wig came pre-curl and it's perfect. It's a drawstring, but if you have a regular head size, the drawstring, perfect. It doesn't matter, but mine fits my head so good, where the drawstring is for if you have a smaller, medium, large, and mine fits so good. I love the curls that I added to the wig as well. For a 7x5, it's giving a frontal, and it is snug on my head. The curls came out perfect. I will definitely show you guys the color in sunlight, because now it's giving mystery color. You can hardly see that burgundy, but it is so good. It's on the darker side, but it is perfect. When I tell you, once I go in the sun, this is gonna look so good, you will see. So make sure you guys check the description below. The wig will be there, their website will be there as well. And thanks again to BeautyForever for sending this beautiful 7x5 closure wig. Absolutely love it. And the pre-curls, oh, look at that, so nice. So you guys can check their website and you will see the wig. See you guys.
This one I bet you me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me da. Biggie man, we do get